Hello everyone, welcome to Logicals. This video I'll explain you to find the palindrome numbers. So first I initialized 4 integer variables a, num, b and temp which is equal to 0. Now I ask the user to enter the number. Let's say that the user had given the value 121. Now I store that value to b, that is b is equal to 121. Now we are going for a while condition, num greater than 0. Remember that the num value is 121. So 121 is greater than 0, so these three statements inside this loop will execute. So the first statement is a is equal to num more 10. Num value is 121. So 121 more 10, which is equal to 1. The value of a is 1. The second statement is num equal to num divided by 10. So num is equal to, num value is 121. So 121 divided by 10, which is equal to 12, not 12.1, because this is an integer, num value is integer. So it will take only the 12, it won't take the decimal part. So the next statement is temp equal to temp into 10 plus a. So temp is equal to temp into 10. At first the temp value is 0. So 0 into 10 plus a. A's value is 1. So plus 1, which is equal to 1. So here also remember the value of temp. Temp is equal to 1. Now we will go back to the loop and check the condition. Num greater than 0. Num value gets changed here. It is 12 now. So this is 12 now. 12 greater than 0. It is also correct. So again these three statements will execute. So a equal to num more 10. Num is 12. So 12 more 10, which is equal to 2. Next, num equal to num divided by 10. So num is 12. So 12 divided by 10, which is equal to 1. And now temp equal to temp into 10 plus a. So temp value at the last execution was 1. So 1 into 10 plus a is 2, which is equal to 12. Now the temp value is changed. It is 12 now. Remember that. So again it will go back to the loop and check the condition num greater than 0. Num value gets changed here, that is 1. So 1 is greater than 0. So again it will execute. So a is equal to 1 more 10. 1 more 10, which is equal to 1. Then num equal to num divided by 10. So num is 1. So 1 divided by 10, which is equal to 0. And temp equal to temp into 10 plus a, that is temp value is 12. So 12 into 10 plus a is 1. So plus 1, that is equal to 1 to 1. The temp value is 1 to 1. Now this num value is changed here, so it will be 0. So when it go back to the loop again, it won't satisfy the condition because the num value is 0. So it will exit from this loop and go for an if condition. Temp equal to b. We initialize b is equal to num, that is b is equal to 121, and we got the temp as 121. So they both are equal. So it will print palindrome, else not a palindrome. So let's run this program. Enter the number. Let's give 121 palindrome. Let's give different numbers. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. That's also a palindrome. Let's give a different number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. not a palindrome. So that's all about this program, and if you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.